Hello everyone. So today is 9th of March and currently it's 9:48 p.m. and today we had our second weekly expiry of the for the month of March, and yes, again, so it went fine, and also let's discuss what happened. Like yesterday's data was showing that consolidation can occur. I always tell you practically like what the data is suggesting, okay? But let me tell you something that is over this week, okay? So what is happening is starting from this last Friday, whatever was the end of the data, the opposite thing was happening. On Friday, data was bearish. FIIs were did call writing at 70,400, but market went up, okay? Yesterday also, FIIs were having huge put writing positions, but today the first thing was that the fresh positions that were building were call writing. So always we have even on Friday also the fresh positions that were building were put writing. Okay, so all of a sudden the things are changing. So what one can do during these times is basically you have to figure out the fresh positions that are getting built up. Okay, and like today we also, like in 9:23 a.m. call writers active. Okay, so huge call writing was being done and call writers were active, and 10:05 again Nifty will come back to 70,700 to give exit to the put writers, because huge put writers were there and Nifty went below 70,700 and it did went up. Okay, and but then again the call writers started dominating. Okay, so uh, here it went down below 17,700 and then again went up above 17,000, just the level that we talked about, 17,720. It went there and again got resistance and came down. Okay, and finally it was consolidating around this level, that is 17,622, but again that also broke. And for talking about bank nifty after breaking this level 41,500, even in yesterday's video also I told that for whatever happens, see the Nifty and Bank Nifty both, even Bank Nifty, they both opened above 41,500 and 17,700. Okay, but I clearly said yesterday that this 17,700 and 41,500 would be retested because call writers are waiting there. Okay, and this was the last move was a fake one. So clearly I said that in yesterday's video, and that's why this morning down move was expected when it was coming down. But again this up move was also expected because the put writers they needed to be given the exit. So after giving the exit, finally market again came down. Okay, and yes, so the for Bank Nifty also, after breaking 41,500, the next level 41,278, Bank Nifty came there and it stopped there. Okay, so if this also breaks, then the next level would be at so that new level is basically an intraday level, and if 41,000 did break, then we had this for 41,278, where it finally came and stopped, and the next major level is at 41,000. Okay, and even if you go and check in Bank Nifty the next monthly series, the next weekly series, so till 41,000 fresh call writing has been done. Okay, so this is let's go to the 16, the next one. Yeah, the next one, 41 till 41,000 call writing has been properly done, and majorly it has been done at 41,500. So 41,500 would be acting as resistance for Bank Nifty, and for Nifty 70,600 huge call writing has been done, and also above. And also from yesterday I was checking 17,500 also call writers are coming there. Okay, so and also here on this side, if you notice that 17,500 and here 17,400, you see huge put writers are closing. Okay, so you should note this, that the change in OI, so huge closing can be seen on this side. So please be careful, we can expect a fall, and accordingly we have also taken trades today. That is the final thing was that we took trades. I sold 70,500 at 172 and bought 70,500 PE at 64. Okay, and that was taken as positional, and whatever we took during the day, the call writing, so they those positions ended worthless, like the writing positions. Okay, and that said, and again FIIs have started selling, and if you notice in the FNO section, so they have sold for today for more than like 2253 crores, and even in stocks also they have sold for 2390 crores. Okay, so coming to the cash segment, they have also started selling. DIs did not bought much. And now talking about the end of the day data, futures long closing, futures short again heavily built up, and if you notice the option index put writing has been closed in huge quantity. There are call writings, but this is not a huge quantity. They need to increase their call writing positions. Let's see what the fresh positions that gets built up tomorrow. And talking about the put buying, there is put buying quantity, so please be careful. Things can go down. Things are not looking good, and these call buyings are for the hedging purpose of these call writing as well as the fresh future short positions. Okay, so that said, and also if you notice the Propdex data, so they are also like heavily short in futures, so they are also expecting some down move. And yeah, so that's it. And also they are carrying more call writing positions than put writing, but overall they need to increase their positions if they are thinking that market is going to go down. For Propdex, option data is not very conclusive, almost same on both the sides, you can say. But for FIIs, you can say that yes, call writing positions are more. But again, that was the data last Friday also, but market went up. Okay, so we should be careful. I have taken a very bearish position, so let's see what happens. And I have also hedged my position with 17,700 call buying. Okay, so the thing is that yes, things are looking bearish. It should be a sell on rise, but again we should wait and watch the fresh positions that gets built up tomorrow. Okay, and talking about the next levels, if index comes down, so for Bank Nifty, we talked about 41,000 would be the next major level, and for Nifty the major levels would be at 17,625. After breaking that, the intraday levels would be 17,524 and 17,441, and if these two breaks, then 17,389. Okay, and that said, yes, I think I have discussed everything. And yeah, advance to decline ratio, advances are increasing, so please be careful. And talking about the indicators, how they performed today, so if you see that, like in the even starting from the morning, the score was in the negative zone. Okay, and the market came down, and finally like it went up, but again the score dropped, and finally the score consolidated. Okay, for Nifty. And for Bank Nifty, again if you see that the score started heavily in the negative zone, went near -50, then went up because the put riders were given exit, and finally again things started coming down from here. Bank Nifty, you can see the score sharply declining from here, but Bank Nifty went up here, the scores started coming down, and finally Bank Nifty also came down. Okay, and yes, so that's how the indicators performed. And the scores are uploaded in the drive, so you can go and access them. And yeah, that said, and also like today I also posted this update at 11:06 a.m. so even during that time also, like if you have read that call riders were active in the morning, so if you would have taken positions accordingly, so even at 11 AM, if you look at Nifty, so it was just giving exit to the put writers. Okay, so here 11:20 till 11:30 also giving exit to the put writers. So even at that moment also, if you sold, then also you would have got a nice premium to eat. Okay, so that said, for the new ones, you can follow me on Twitter, as well as you can subscribe me on YouTube, because the videos that I launch, so they don't have any perfect timing, so you'll get the notification once they're released. And yeah, so thanks for watching. If you are liking my analysis, don't forget to press the like button, and yeah, keep learning and keep watching and trade safely. See you in the next one.